Everything we see relies on everything we don't. What I don't think the fans realize is the amount of people, information, data that is being constantly looked at through the whole race. When you have such a big team behind you, my job is to go out and kind of finish the job for them.
What's visible on television are the races, and the drivers compete on the track, and you will see the decisions that go into that, maybe taking a pit stop or a particular set of tyres. But all of that is based upon the data and the tools that we have built. And ultimately, the track performance is built on innovation and engineering excellence. A lot of focus has been on how we have been successful with back-to-back World Championships and our fantastic Drivers' Championship. And really that can all be summarised into two words: this team. Everything that we do is built upon connections. That can be the connections between our infrastructure, it can be the connections out to the track, which of course 24 locations across the globe, and we might be transmitting it quite a long way. Everything we do here needs to be right at the limit of what is possible, and we look for how we can maximize each other's performance.
The infrastructure is a key part of our race weekend. The Cisco network is the beating heart that pulls all of our systems together. We're part of a much bigger ecosystem of technology, but the thing that really glues it together is the network. We drop a mobile data center into our garage over 20 times a year. We have over 300 sensors that are on track at any one time, and that generates over 100,000 parameters of telemetry per second. So it's a huge amount of information that we then look to surface in front of the engineers. All of that information is being ported over the network and has to be super robust and super trusted by everybody that is surrounding that data.
Having data stuck in a silo doesn't benefit anyone. We rely on the connections, being able to pass that data between our infrastructure here, being able to pass that out to the track and receive back again. Without those connections, we won't be able to go racing. So that is why we need to rely on Cisco to provide fast, reliable and secure communications for all our data, and that's what leads to World Championships.